Hello, today I will show you how to access the blue light filter in your Samsung Galaxy A9. First, let's unlock our phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now let's swipe up again and go into settings. And here, simply choose display. As you can see, we have a blue light filter option. It reduces eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. It's very useful if you have sleep problems. We can enable it right here, and as you can see, the colors of the phone got way warmer. And let's turn it off again, and we can access it by simply tapping on it. And we can also turn it on as scheduled. Like, for example, we can allow it to see our location and start it sunset to sunrise. So simply when it gets darker, the blue light filter will start getting stronger. Or we can set a custom schedule for particular days and particular time. But that's it. That's how you access your blue light filter. You can turn it on and off, and you can even set the opacity, so how strong will it be, depending on your liking. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.